Chiropractic. Introduction. Many people who receive chiropractic care report that the treatment helped to ease their back pain. Select true or false. Correct. Many people who receive this type of care report that it helps with their symptoms. People with osteoporosis can benefit from chiropractic spinal manipulation. Select true or false. Correct. Osteoporosis should not be treated with spinal manipulation. It is normal to hear popping or cracking sounds as your chiropractor adjusts your joints. Select true or false. Correct. During the adjustment, it is common to hear popping or cracking sounds. The chiropractor will use his or her hands to apply a controlled amount of pressure to a joint. Most people experience ongoing relief after a single chiropractic adjustment. Select true or false. Correct. Chiropractic treatment often requires several sessions. If your symptoms do not improve after a few weeks of treatment, it might not be an effective treatment for you. Thank you for using Explain.